Hi, I'm Kelly Goss, Business Process Automation Specialist and founder of Solvaa. Our client, Ascent Dental Care, has 36 reception and patient care staff plus 35 dentists across 4 practice locations. They wanted to implement automation to increase staff productivity, reduce manual admin tasks, improve communication with their patients, and have access to better reporting. It was vital that the personal touch given by the reception staff was maintained alongside a significant increase in productivity. They now automate their lead capture and nurturing with automated SMS, emails, and call reminders, as well as appointment reminders, onboarding, missed appointment reminders, and reporting processes. And as a result, they have more productive staff who can spend more time on patient care rather than admin. They have access to more accurate reporting information, and their leads don't fall through the cracks. Since we implemented their new processes, they can focus on growth rather than having mundane, repetitive tasks weighing them down. Here's what Louise Hatton, the group manager, has to say about working with Solvaa.
Hi, I'm Louise from Ascent Dental Care, and I'm really happy to be able to give Kelly a testimonial. So Kelly's so good at what she does. I mean, literally, I can't recommend her highly enough. Having embarked on the automation journey a few years back now, we'd spoken initially to several people, and by far, Kelly came across as the most genuine and authentic person that we talked to. Kelly and I spoke at length about our current systems and how we wanted to improve them. She listened to everything that we had to say and asked lots of questions, made some really, really excellent suggestions. We were really excited to get things going, and Kelly set our expectations very well from the beginning. She gave us clear guidance on her timelines and the fees, and she was open and honest throughout everything. She still is to this day. Once things had started, we quickly realised we wanted more and how beneficial Kelly and her service was to our business. We're still working with her, and every kind of day, really, we come up with ideas of how she can improve things for us. We've got more projects in the pipeline that we're definitely going to be getting Kelly to help us with. Her skill and knowledge and service is impeccable, and what she has done for us has literally saved us hours and hours worth of manpower, and it allows our teams to focus on patients rather than the administrative tasks that are so time consuming. It's also allowed us to communicate in a much better way with our patients, and it's given us exactly the results that we were after. Simply meeting Kelly has been life-changing for our business and our teams.